Hello, my dear students. In this part, we are going to listen to a dialogue, and you are going to mark the expressions you hear by the girls. Now, let's look at the expressions. First, we have well, if you ask me. We have that isn't strictly true. Yes, perhaps, however. I suppose, but. Okay, but. Absolutely. You've got a point there. To a certain degree. You're right. That's true. Now mark the expressions of these you hear said by the girls. Okay? Now go ahead, listen, and come back to me because I have one more question for you.
I'm bored. I want to do something useful.
What's wrong, Noura?
Don't you think we are living very easy lives? There are so many people who are suffering. Why don't we do something about it?
Okay, but what do you propose?
I don't know. Some old people's homes are asking for books. We could ask our friends for books they have read and take them to the homes.
You've got a point there. My grandma's friend is in a home and she complains that they have seen all their DVDs and read their books more than 3 times. It would be nice if we could get them new ones, right?
Absolutely. We can begin by phoning our friends and asking them if they have old DVDs and books that they no longer want.
That's true. And we could also start a campaign at school.
You're right. I wonder why I didn't think of it. Let's make a poster.
I suppose we can, but don't you think we have to ask the headmaster first?
I don't know. Why don't we ask our English teacher? She's always talking about aiding people with problems.
Okay. Did you mark the expressions? Now, the expressions are I suppose but, okay but, absolutely, you've got a point there, you're right, oh, that's true. Now, which of these expressions show agreement and which show disagreement? Now think carefully. Now the first 2 expressions, I suppose but and okay but, show disagreement, since we have but here. It seems that it shows agreement, but when we use but, that makes it disagreement. Now the rest of the expressions are used to show agreement. See you in the next part.